For this week's project, you will be creating a Zentangle Animal, which will involve putting patterns onto your animal. Some examples. You have a bird, and a fish, as well as a bear. My suggestion would be to draw your animal big or zoom in on the face and make that your focus. So for my drawing, I will be doing the face of an elephant. With your pencil, you want to lightly draw your animal. Light enough so that we can take the pen back over top of our pencil marks. Once you have your animal lightly sketched onto your 9x12 drawing paper, then you're ready to start with pen. With my pencil sketch complete, I use my eraser to lighten up the lines. So that I can then go over top of those lines with a pen. Now I want to start to think about creating the cross contour lines of the elephant. And inside these is where I will put my patterns. I don't want to just go straight across, horizontal or vertical. That will end up making more of a grid pattern, which will make our elephant look flat. I want to go with the curves of the trunk. I want to go with the curve and the wave of the ears for my cross contours. So my pencil lines that I've already drawn are too dark. I'm going to take my eraser and lighten them up. And now I'll pull my pen back out to draw over my pencil lines and create these sections. With my animal now outlined in pen and the sections outlined, these would also be called tiles, and the Zentangle pattern would go into the tile. You can now start adding your patterns. So I'm going to pull my copy paper back out to protect the paper, and I'm just going to start creating patterns. Again, considering staying with the cross contour of the ear. So I have a little bit of curve in these hatching lines. Also paying attention to the ear and contours going, cross contour going to the side. I'm gonna do a checkerboard. The lines are not straight like a checkerboard, but are more wavy to go with the ear. They're bigger out here, they'll get smaller as we go to the smaller part of the ear. And now I can start to fill them in with the pattern. As you finish your Zentangle Animal, go back and add a dark outline around the outside edges. Think about shadows. Make sure the features of your animal have a thicker line and are darker so that we can see them. They do get lost within all the patterns. If you see a pattern that looks too white or needs something else to it, consider going back. With this pattern, I had to go back and add a horizontal line behind this shape to add a little more color to that space. But overall, make sure you have a good balance of the white values to darker values and medium in between.